Chris.
Yeah!
What's up, baby? What's going on, man? Is this your first boat party?
First boat party.
Oh, he's a boat party virgin. Bucket boat. Bucket boat. Oh.
Oh yeah, he smelt it out.
Who else? Who else is a boat party virgin?
I am.
She is for
Not
sure.
a
What up?
virgin.
G-double?
Definitely.
Are you? He's still a virgin in general. It's all good. Mikey? Boat party virgin? Hell no. Yeah. That's my big man. What up, Josh? Yeah. Can you take some video? Keep it rolling, bro. Keep it rolling. It's already rolling. It's rolling. Just make sure you're pointing it at stuff. You gotta concentrate. Film that shit. Film that shit. Climb up.
All right, here.
Climb over boats and film.
Climb over boats and film.
Okay, Freddie, I don't trust your camera skills, so here's your Red Bull back. Scared you guys.